Okay, I am using my headset because the video and microphone on my actual camera on the computer doesn't work real great, and I'm looking at myself here going, I need a haircut! Anyway, I've been reading Lucy Score's Bootleg Springs series, and she does it with Claire Kingsley, if I remember correctly, but the very first book called Whiskey Chaser, and I'll link to the series down below in the description. They mentioned a dish, a food called pepperoni rolls, and apparently they're really good. And so I was like, how do you even make those things? In the Lucy Score group, a lot of us were asking how do you make them? Apparently, and we did that. Somebody mentioned how they were made with like refrigerated biscuits, and I said something to the effect of, I don't have biscuits, but I do have crescent rolls. So everybody's going, so the other people going, be sure to try, if you try it, let us know how it turns out. And I'm pretty sure people were thinking it too. I think one or two people commented on it, on what I said about that. But so what I did was I made a batch of pepperoni rolls with crescent rolls. I used sliced pepperoni and finely shredded Italian-style cheese. Bandit, get out of there. My dog wants to try and smell. She's smelling at the plate. She's going, oh, these smell good. I just got them out the oven a few minutes ago, and they look absolutely amazing. I sprinkled a little extra cheese on top just for fun. So we're going to give them a try here right live and see what happens. Oh, my God, y'all. You got to try these. Biscuits, crescent rolls, whatever. Get your bacon on. These things are freaking awesome. I don't even have any sauce to dip them in. And these are still freaking awesome. This is gonna be my dinner tonight. I think I'm now officially hooked on something that apparently is kind of a staple in West Virginia and like southwest Pennsylvania kind of thing. I'd never heard of these things till I read about them in Whiskey Chaser, and now one bite I'm addicted. These things are awesome. Make yourself some. Actually, a recipe from Pillsbury for how to do them with the crescent rolls. And there are all kinds of recipes out there for how to make these with biscuits or from scratch if you want to make the dough from scratch. These are freaking awesome, people. You will love them.